How to log in Affirm using email address. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into Affirm using email address. For that, launch open any web browser, then head over to affirm.com. On this website, you want to tap on the login option at the top of your screen. Now, as you can see, you only have the mobile number over here. So you will have to enter your mobile number and tap on the continue button. If you want to log in using your email address, then for that, you will have to be the merchant. If you are the merchant, you can simply tap on the looking for our merchant sign in option. Once you tap on this, it will take you to this login portal. Here, you can very easily log in using your email address. So go ahead and enter your email address over here, then enter your password and tap on the sign in option. You can also sign in using your Google email over here as well. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.